Do your towels smell bad even after washing them? Like you've pulled them out of the dryer and they still smell, or they might smell really good and then you come to find out when you start using them, they smell kind of old, kind of musty, like they've been sitting in milk. Well, today I found the solution and I'm gonna show you exactly how to get rid of that musty smell that your towels might be having. We're gonna talk about a few reasons why that happens and how to fix it. You're not even gonna have to throw out those old towels because we're gonna fix it. You're gonna save yourself some money. So today I'm going to share with you the biggest reasons why your towels smell and the easiest way to fix it. So believe it or not, too much detergent can actually make your towels smell worse. The extra soap gets trapped into the fibers and starts holding on to bacteria and odors. Number two is fabric softeners. Now this one actually surprised me because fabric softeners actually leave a little bit of coating on all your clothes and especially on towels. And what that does is create a coating which traps moisture over time. Number three is leaving towels in the washer. I know we've all done this at least once, but leaving a load of towels in the washer, for example, overnight because you started your laundry late at night and you just don't want to put it in the dryer. Hey, we've all been there. The damp environment is perfect for odors to start growing. And sometimes it's not even the towels. It could be actually your washing machine, the gasket, the detergent drawer, or even the buildup inside of the machine can transfer odors right into your towels. And so what has actually worked for me when I'm washing towels is to, number one, don't load it all the way to the top and definitely use your hot water setting when you're washing. Now I also like to use a little bit less of the laundry detergent, and I love to add one more secret ingredient, and that secret ingredient is actually white vinegar. Add about a half a cup and this is going to remove all those odors. And if your washing machine has a setting for towels, put it on that towel setting, and if it doesn't, you can always put it on that bulky mode as well. I hope these tips have helped you, especially if you've been dealing with that musty, yucky smell from your towels, and try this solution. Let me know down below if you found anything else that helps. I do know if you're using a detergent that's really perfumey, that sometimes that just covers the mess. So using a nice detergent that doesn't have all those chemical smells can really make your towels smell fresh. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't done so already. And if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one.